Welcome to ICT Topic 3 Management and Strategies. ICT Management Styles. Large organizations tend to use formal methods of communication. They try to avoid the informal Chinese whispers effect. The safest way to pass on information is in the format of a written document to ensure it gets passed on accurately and correctly. A more modern way of using this method is through email, as everyone can see the message or the document at the same time. Smaller organizations may just use face-to-face communication, however informal methods will always occur regardless of the size of the organization. ICT strategies and policies. A strategy is a long-term plan for achieving a goal. A policy determines the decisions and actions the business may need to take to achieve these goals. For example, employing a web designer to set up an e-commerce site. The e-commerce site would be the strategy, and employing the web designer would be the policy. The contribution of ICT management to a business strategy. Aims must be carried out at a strategic level. The role of the Chief Information Officer, or the CIO, is vital, as they need to be able to influence the organizational strategies. Factors influencing a business strategy. Any ICT strategy or development should provide measurable benefits to the user, organization and client. For example, available finance. Investment into a new system has to be established using cost benefits. Costs may include development of databases, new software licenses and server hardware. Legacy systems. The hardware, software and data that may take up the existing systems in the organization. It may not be possible to fully replace the legacy system, and files may need to be transferred in stages. Therefore, you may need to run a parallel system between the old and the new. Geographical factors. Depending on the size of the organization, a LAN, which is a local area network, or a WAN, which is a wide area network, may be required. Compliance with the legislation also needs to be considered. Organizations that use personal data need to comply with the Data Protection Act, especially when we cover offshoring, which is covered in Topic 9. The management of information assets over time. Over time, the volume of the data that the organization needs to store can become large. The Data Protection Act states personal data should not be used or kept longer than necessary. Corporate ICT strategies. Large organizations need to cooperate ICT strategies that apply over the entire organization. ICT developments need to be future-proof to keep up with modern technology advancements. It may be more practical to lease hardware rather than buy it straight away. Access to information must be defined at a corporate level, as well as issues of security. This can be achieved by setting up access levels for users. The corporate ICT strategy will also consider how the human resources of ICT staff are managed. Staffing issues may also have an impact on security and procedures. Here are some keywords to remember for this topic. Protocol, a standard set of rules. Open Systems Interconnection, or OSI, allows different computers to be linked. TCP allows internet users and provides communication with each other. HTTP is a set of rules used by the World Wide Web for communication between websites. HTTPS is a secure version of the HTTP. FTP is a set of rules that are governed by hardware and software. An IP address identifies a physical computer linked to the internet. This has been Topic 3. Stay tuned for Topic 4.